Good evening, everyone. We will start our event shortly. We will wait for a few more minutes for other peoples to join. Okay.
At 6:10, we will start our meeting. Stay tuned. Good evening, everyone. Am I audible to you all?
Yes, you are.
Okay. It's been 6:07, so we will start our meeting.
Yes, we can start now. We have good number of participants.
Participants,
Yes. Okay.
okay. Hello, coders. Good evening. Can you see my screen?
Yes,
Yes, it is visible.
A warm welcome you all to CodeChef orientation session. Last year, our college is selected as CodeChef chapter, named as CodeChef PRMITR chapter. So, today we conduct this session to introduce new core team of CodeChef PRMITR chapter. So, we have mainly 5 core committee members, and in this session, each core member are introduce themselves with their role. Firstly, I introduce myself. I am Samruddhi Thakre, and I'm from Electronics and Telecommunication Department, and I am the president of CodeChef PRMITR chapter. Now, I am going to introduce other members. We have event lead whose name is Mayuri Wankhade. We have competitive programming lead Leena Harwar, media outreach lead Ishika Dabre, a web developer lead Sejar Dange, and technical lead Krutuja Mule, and we have executive member Anurag Sharma. Now, I am going to give information about what is CodeChef, how it works, and also benefits of it. Let's start with what is CodeChef, what is PRMITR CodeChef chapter. So, CodeChef is a competitive programming community of programmers across the globe. Means it is a coding coding platform where we do the practice of coding. As many of the student is from second year and third year, it is a right time to start the coding practice. So in future you get command on it. Also, the PRMITR CodeChef chapter is CodeChef community of a college under which technical and non-technical event will held. Now, we are going to see what is competitive programming. Am I audible to you all?
Yes, Samruddhi.
Okay. So, the question arises, what is competitive programming? The competitive programming gives a solving any given problem under provided constraint result in desired output is a competitive programming. Means as we going in a final year, we have to face the placements means company drives. But while getting any job in MNC company or any mid-scale company, we first pass the test which were provided by company. Previously, company will held only one section which is aptitude test, but from last year they include in the second section known as a coding test. Means in which there is a they provide us two question with a time limit 1 hour. In this, they give us means statement of programming, then input and output and also constraint. So if we practice on this CodeChef platform, so we will figure out what they want in that coding contest. Means if they means in many companies we have also pseudocode, also we have to put only logic. So when we practice on CodeChef, we will figure out what they want to desired output. Means we have to pass their all test cases, and this will happen only by practicing the coding contest. So computer programming helps you to crack coding competition of MNCs like Google, Amazon, Microsoft, etc. Now we will see the benefits of competitive programming. It builds strong logical thinking ability. As we solve many problems, then we will get a command on coding contest and our logical thinking is get increasing. So it also help in developing coding foundation and skill and help in preparing for MNCs. CodeChef will help you to achieve all of them. Now I request Lina to share her presentation on competitive programming. Hello, Lina.
Hello. Thank you, Samruddhi. Am I audible to you all?
Yes, Lina.
Yes,
Yeah,
Lina.
okay. And my screen is visible?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Uh,
So,
mm,
hello everyone. I hope you all are doing great. So, let me introduce myself first. My name is Leena Aharwar and I am interested in competitive programming. So, I am the CP lead of CodeChef PRMITR chapter, that is the in charge of the workshops and contests organized by the CodeChef PRMITR chapter. So, that's all about me. Now, I will show you how to use CodeChef. This is the platform of the CodeChef. Just click on the new user or login. And if you are a new user, simply just fill all the information here and click on the register. And if you already have an account, just log in through it. I have an account, so I will log in through it. So if you want to practice problems, then simply just click on practice and learn tab and that click on problems by difficulty level. Here the questions are divided into the increasing order of from beginner to the peer level, and here are some of the questions given. Let's take one example. So this is the name of the problem, number mirror, and this is the problem code. Here a problem statement is given to us, and sometimes it is given in the form of story. So we have to determine like what is the main question. And here input and output will be given to you. And the most important thing is constraints. So always give maximum importance to the constraints. If you will take the value out of the constraint, then you will get an error like time limit error or wrong answers. And some sample input and output are also given to you. The time limit of this question is 1 second, and here are the languages that the CodeChef platform supports. So, if you want to submit the solution for this, click on the Submit tab, and this is the online IDE provided by the CodeChef for the users. Here you can write your code, and simply you can select your language in which you want to write the code, and click on Run and then click on Submit. If you get any error, then first make the code error free and after that again resubmit it. If you are stuck while solving the problem, you can also take help from the video solution provided by the CodeChef for the users, and you can also see the other submissions. Select the language in which you want to see the submissions, and here is the status. Like AC means all correct, WM means wrong answer, TLE means time limit error, and other types of error are given to you. So you will choose all correct and then click on go. So here are the solutions of the other CodeChef users. You can see this and take a help from this. You can also practice problems by the tags, search problem by tag. Like here, the problems are divided into the categories like easy, medium, simple, like that. And if you want to practice problems by some topics, so you can choose the topic tag, and here you can click on any topic from which you want to practice the problem like array, heap, strings, etc. Some other initiatives of CodeChefs are also there, like DSA Learning Series. CodeChef has launched live courses on competitive programming taught by the most passionate competitive programmer and helped by great team of teaching assistants. So you can take any topic from this and watch it on YouTube also. And here in the compete tag, select all contests. Here some of the contests like present, ongoing, and past coding contests are given there, and you can select the and you can choose the contest that you want to give, like November coding challenge is running now, and there are four type of contests that CodeChef organizes in every month, like long challenge, cook off, lunchtime, and starters. And these are the rated contests. That means the users are rated according to the most problem solved. And there is also a division system of CodeChef, like Division 1, Division 2, and Division 3. Division 3 is for the beginners, and Division 2 and 1 is for the professionals. And you will also get stars while you will solve many problems in the contest, then you will get stars also. Some other initiatives of CodeChef also, like CodeChef certification program. CodeChef certification in data structures and algorithm is a certification program by CodeChef which tests candidates' proficiency in data structures and algorithm. The certification is currently available at two successive levels, Foundation and Advanced. So I will suggest you to first practice the problems and then take part in the contest, and after that go for the certification program. It will add value to your experience also. So thank you all of you. Over to you, Samruddhi.
Thank you, Lina. Now I will call Ishika. Hello, Ishika. Are you there?
Yes, am I audible? And my
Yeah,
screen is visible?
yeah. Go ahead.
Okay. So hello mates, this is Ishika Dabre, and in our college CodeChef chapter committee, I have the Department of Media and Outreach lead that makes me a source to spread the word about what we are really cooking in this chapter, what events we are organizing. You will get notifications through me, as you can see on this slide. I have the social media handle which you can follow us, and in the chat box also WhatsApp link is pasted. You can join WhatsApp group, you can write any queries or suggestion on email too, or you can comment on Instagram or DM on Instagram. And as and whatever events we are organizing, it is very important for the career point of view. And as Lena has already discussed the how to register yourself on CodeChef and how to earn certificates. So I think that you should take advantage of that. Just stay notified by following these handles and participate and just code. I wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, Ishika. Now I will call Sejal.
Am I audible?
Yeah.
So hello coders. Hope you all are doing well. So this is Sejal Dange and a warm welcome of you all in this CodeChef chapter community. And I will be working as a web development lead of PRMIT and our CodeChef chapter. Being a web development lead, I will be handling our chapter's website, and if you all have any queries related to our website, you can reach out to me. So this chapter has been working in our college since years, and till now we have conducted various past events like interviews, coding contest, and guest lecture. And I am very pretty sure that you guys will see such type of events soon. So are you guys waiting for such upcoming events? So stay tuned for the interesting upcoming events. Thank you.
Thank you, Sejal. Now Mayuri will give the information about events.
Thank you, Samruddhi. I'm audible? Yes.
Yes, go ahead.
Okay. Hello, everyone. I'm Mayuri Vankede, Events Lead of CodeChef College Chapter. And being an events lead, I'll be focusing on bringing more informative and helpful events for you all throughout this year. Events will be conducted monthly, which will include few informative workshops, some coding competition events. Along with these, we will also have in between few fun events. Also, some events like interviewing the placed students of our college will be held, which will help you to know the placement's proper preparation through like their point of view. And also, after each event, we'll be sharing a feedback form to you all, wherein you can share with us what events you would like us to conduct next. What else? Yes. Also, after competitions, after we will hold the competitions, the winners of the competitions will be declared on our social media handles. So yes, that's it. I'm excited to meet you all in incoming events. Hope you all will show a good number of participations in them. Yes, that's it from my side. Thank you. Over to you, Anurag.
Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well. I'm Anurag Sharma. I assigned in this community as a web developer. My task is to develop a web portal for a CodeShip chapter. Personally, I'm a full stack Android and web developer. If you need any help from me, you can connect with me on LinkedIn and other social media platform. Okay. Have a good day. Over to you, Kutuja.
Thank you, Anurag. Hello, everyone. Myself, Krutuja Mule, Technical Lead of PRMIT and our CodeChef chapter. I hope you all are now familiar with the CodeChef community. So, guys, if there are any questions, queries related to today's session, do let us know. You can unmute yourself or simply DM it in the chat box.
Yes, if you all have any queries, you can type it in the chat box.
Also, you can raise your hand.
Yes, Vidhan. So competitions will be held according to each programming language, particular programming language.
Or if you want non-technical event, we also can arrange it.
Okay, I see there is no more questions. Rutuja, you can go ahead.
I hope all your doubts have been cleared. So now I would like to hand over the meet to Leena. Over to you, Leena.
Thank you, Krutuja. Guys, I think competitive programming is the best place to get over the fear of failure. You just cannot become better without failing. I am not demotivating you, but I am just simply saying the reality. There is not competitive programmer with always positive rating, gain or all solutions being correct. It requires months of dedication and hard work to stay and also consistent practice. Just go for it, guys. There is nothing to lose anyway, but a whole awesome set of knowledge to gain. Thank you. Over to you, Mayuri.
Thank you, Leena. Okay, so I hope you found this event helpful. And now you all got to know us, like what CodeChef College chapter is all about, and you also got to know about our team. So you all can connect to us through social media handles. All the links are shared in the chat box. Also, I request Sejal to please post the link of feedback form in the chat box. And I request you all the participants to please fill this feedback form. It will help us to know you all better and like what you actually felt about this today's event. So yes, with this I'll conclude today's program over here, and I look forward to meeting you all in coming events that will be held in future. So till then, take care, and thank you so much for joining. Don't forget, guys, to fill the feedback form, please.
We also share the feedback form link to the WhatsApp group.
Guys for coming, and if you want to rewatch this session will be uploaded on the YouTube on PRMITR CodeChef chapter channel. Thank you.